I'm with Paul Gill, CEO of Lomiko Metals and Technologies. For the average investor, graphite isn't something we know quite well about. Can you tell us more so that we can better understand what graphite is?
Yeah, well, essentially, flake graphite is carbon. It's carbon atoms set up in a particular way. And the stuff that's really important in graphite is the flake graphite, which is used particularly to round into spherical graphite, which can be used in batteries. It also has some electronic capabilities, as I was saying before, conductive aspects of it that are very good. And there's a wide variety of uses depending on the size of the flakes and the purity of the carbon in the particular graphite that's used. There's various locations all around the world in which graphite is found. Quebec happens to be one of the best jurisdictions, and you have other jurisdictions such as Madagascar, Sri Lanka, areas like that. So what's very good for us in Canada is the electric vehicle industry is really taking off. There's going to be some requirement for graphite to be used in the batteries, and that's where I think the push is coming. Hundreds of thousands of tons, in addition to a several 100,000 ton market, is going to be required. Primarily, it's used in the smelting of iron ore, and it's used in the crucible. So it's a very hard chemical and a hard material that has thermal capabilities and has a very high melting point, so that's a good opportunity to use it. Well, Lomiko Metals is developing a graphite asset in Quebec. It has a resource on it of 3% plus and indicated resource of about 18 million tons and inferred resources about 18 million tons of 3%. So what we love about the project is that it is only one of several different areas of very high-grade graphite. So what we're doing is we're taking that material and we're working with technology firms to convert it to very usable end products, such as graphene filament that can go into 3D printers, graphene inks that can be used to print electronic circuits onto any kind of substrate like a piece of paper. What people don't know is graphene, for instance, which is also a version of carbon, can be made from graphite. And that particular material has 14,000 patents filed on it. It has won the Nobel Prize for Physics, the two people who finally isolated it, in 2010, and it's just taken off. And so we should see a lot of new products and a lot of new uses for that particular material. And that means we can see a little bit over the horizon and see the potential.
Is there more we can learn from you online?
Absolutely. Lomiko Metals and Lomiko Technologies both have their separate sites. There's lomiko.com and lomikotechnologies.com, and we trade on the TSX under the symbol LMR and then the OTC under the symbol LMRMF.
All right. For more videos like this one, make sure to check out more videos on the website smallcappower.com.